Good morning, guys. So, this is about to be super quick, but I said that I would give like a little quick tutorial on how to do my little top knot bun. So, here it goes. So, I just start off either using some water or my leave-in little refresher spray just to kind of loosen up whatever edge control I used the day before. And then with like a little paddle brush, get my hair all up. Most of the time, when I wear my hair in a bun, it's because it got straightened and it's gotten to the point where it's heavy and like kind of greasy just from, you know, the oils of your hair after a few days. And I don't want to wear it out anymore. Okay, get a good ponytail, and then it's just like a wrapping motion. And as long as I have like a good bun shape, then I'm good. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. Especially today, because I'm running late. And then I just tuck in, like, if anything is kind of sticking out. Okay, then I'm just gonna like make sure I brush up any flyaways and do my edges. So I'm using, I guess I should say what I was using. I'm using the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Edge Control. I love that stuff. And then the Jane Carter Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. This edge control is definitely the best one I've used. And I've tried a few different ones. I've tried one by, I think it was Beautiful Textures. That was like a cheap one that I just got from Sally's when I was like out of town once. And I've used the Blueberry Bliss that a lot of other people talk about. But for me, the Carol's Daughter one is the best because it holds, but then like once you take your hair down or even wrap it that night, it like doesn't leave too heavy of a cast on it after the fact. And I really like that. Now obviously after like days and days of wearing the edge control and using it, then obviously it's gonna get kind of sticky and gross, but like for the first couple days you can't really tell, and I really like that. It doesn't feel like it's so heavy on my hair. So I'm just like pinning up, like I said, any flyaways so that it will be nice and sleek. Now I got my little old crusty toothbrush. I don't go crazy with the baby hair, mainly because I don't really have any. So I just do a little swoop on each side. Need to be looking over this way. And normally I do this like before I get in the shower for the morning, because I want to like let it kind of like sit under a scarf, like so it can really just kind of flatten it out and smooth it out. But for the video, I want it to be like completely dressed and stuff, obviously. So I'm pretty good with this. Looks pretty even to me. Nice and sleek. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, that's it. Oh, didn't brush this thing. Yeah, so just make sure you brush it all in, so your edge control and stuff is not showing. But yeah, super simple. I got a lot of requests to like either explain what I did or just asking how I did it, so I figured I would just show you guys. So yeah, I'm just looking for my scarf to tie this up while I finish packing my lunch and everything. But yeah, if you want to see like a get ready with me work edition, I might have to film it on a weekend, but I'll still do it. And just let me know. Thanks for watching.